Office has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 540, effective until 9 p.m. or 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Bureau, Cook, DuPage, Ford, Gurney, Iroquois, Kane, Kankakee, Kendall, Nassau, Livingston, Marshall, McLean, Woodford, and the following counties in Indiana: Benton, Jasper, Rockport, Lake, Norton, Porter, Pulaski, and Star, and the following: Willamette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois, Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois, Calumet Harbor, Illinois to Gary, Indiana, Gary to Burns Harbor, Indiana, Burns Harbor to Michigan City, Indiana, Lake Michigan from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake, and Lake Michigan from Wilmette Harbor, Illinois to Michigan City, Indiana, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large and damaging winds close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to more weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather